people. It's another frigid day here in Florida. It is 34 degrees this morning, guys. So for today's Sassy Style Inspo that I totally forgot about, thank goodness for the calendar in our phone. As you know, I volunteer at a school 2 days a week now, and I had totally forgotten about it because the kids have been on break for like 2 weeks. And so my mind went on break too. When it went off in my phone that, I needed to be at the school this morning, I'm like, oh gosh. So anyway, here's the outfit for today. I put on my cashmere turtleneck, and I put it with this leopard print maxi skirt that I got from JessicaLondon.com. And if I can find the video where I did the haul, it'll either be linked here in the cards, or I definitely will put it in the description box below. But let me go ahead and show you how I'm going to sass this up for today. Now, for some reason, it's cold in that classroom all the time. I don't know if it was because the air was on, because, back in like December, it was still pretty hot here, or if it's still going to be cold. But anyway, I'm going to leave on my jacket all day. So let me show you how I'm going to sass this up. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, so I have just added some gold accessories with touches of black. I have on this faux leather jacket that I got from Steinmart years ago. I am putting on my black isotoner gloves, and since it's a rarity for us to get to do this, today I'm putting on my suede boots. Now, there's a Sassy Style session coming up soon because many of us ladies have a wider calf or a wider width, and so I'm going to show you boots that can fit that need. It is almost 8:30, so I need to get out of here. And you know what? I'm volunteering. I can be 2 or 3 minutes late if I want to. Plus, that'll give the teacher a chance to get the kids in, get them settled before I get there. So anyway, if you like this Sassy Style Inspiration, couple of moments, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you. Please hit that red subscribe button. Make sure that you tap the notification bell. And as always, I appreciate you guys so much. Have a warm and sassy day, and I will see you soon. Bye.